14b. So Bismillah, let's start. The question said, open the file that you saved in task 14a. We have the previous task 14a. We already saved it last Sunday. So I think I saved it in my desktop, right? Grade 8. I create a new folder, chapter 14. Let me create a new folder, work files. I will save the source file in grade 8. Do you have the source file? Because you're gonna need it. We're gonna need this file, inshallah. So this is my work file. Open task 14a. Let's open it. Bismillah. After I open it, add the text winter, Wonderland, or was. This is like add this as a main heading. I will copy it. So after I open the file, I have to add this as a main heading. Click enter, just open enter, and then paste it over here. I just click enter and then I paste the header, winter, Wonderland or us. This is the heading. As a new main heading at the start of the document. Add the text school closer as a subheading. I have to add this text as a subheading before the second paragraph in grade 8. Where? I should add this before the second paragraph. Before. So let me see, where is my second paragraph in grade 8? Today, where is Ruby? She didn't join. Hello, Lean. Good morning. Good afternoon. Afternoon timing. This is the first paragraph and this is the second paragraph. The question said before the second paragraph. So I'm going to click here. Just click enter and then paste the subheading. This is the heading and this is the subheading. Okay. Create and store and use the following styles in this document. In the heading, sans serif. High grade 8. Sans serif means what? Sans serif. Is it Arial or Times New Roman? Arial. Okay. So sans serif is Arial. Bravo. Font size what? Font size 24. Oh, because now it's 10.5. Font size 24, too big. Right alignment, bold and italic. Right alignment, bold and italic. So I do this in grade 8 as for the heading. Sans serif, font face, 24 point, right alignment, bold and italic. Now let's move on to line spacing. Line spacing before, line spacing after, and the line spacing also is single. Grade 8, some of you missed that point in the exam, but don't worry about that. It's not always about the marks. To get like extra setting in the paragraph and the line spacing, I have to over here to get like advanced paragraph setting. Okay, so I want to do line spacing before, line spacing after. This is line spacing before and after grade 8. These are line spacing before and after. So the line spacing before is what? 0. Line spacing after 6.6. Oh, 6 point. And the line spacing is single. It's already single. Okay, grade 8, we'll just join. So that's it. Ruby, I was just asking about you. How are you, Ruby? So that's it, grade 8. Line spacing before 0. Yes? Yes? Someone's talking? Okay, mashallah. Wait for me. I just want to make sure that I slow down. Everyone understand what I'm saying. So a grade 8, line spacing before, line spacing after. This is done. They said for me, save it. Create and store. Store means I have to save it. So maybe later on I'm going to need it. So I go to styles. Make sure that you highlight it. Make sure that you're still highlighting the text. Click on the styles. Go create a style. This time, this is task 14b, right? Grade 8. 14b underscore heading. Name it task 14b underscore heading. So every time I saw this heading, I remember I create this heading in task 14b. Okay, it's saved. This is saved as a heading style. Okay, done grade 8, all of you? Yes, Ahmed. Ah, okay. You can catch us, no problem. How about the others? Done all of you? Add the subheading. Now we're about to format subheading. School closure, this one. You can copy it from here. You can copy this from here. Now go to the heading, highlight the heading, make it bold, italic, L, change the spacing. Change the spacing. Spacing before 0, spacing after 6 points. And the line spacing is single. Yeah, okay. All done grade 8. Save it as a new style, yeah, Ahmed. Define it as a new style. Name it task 14B heading. Name it task 14B heading. Now let's do the subheading. Next one is subheading grade 8. All done grade 8? Let's move step by step together. Subheading also sans serif 16 points, center, underline. Subheading is yes. Yes, click OK. Oh, my mistake. Click OK, Ahmed. When you define a new style, you name it, you click OK. You can do the style review over here. You can check your style review. Do not click modify. Modify will give you like advanced setting, but no need to do advanced setting. Just click OK. In the school closure, the same, but the font size is 16. Also Arial, sans serif. And alignment is different. Alignment is center this time. Alignment is center and underline. No need bold and italic, underline. So subheading is underlined only. Center, underline. Subheading, no need to make it like bold, italic, and 24. So subheading is different. Underline, center, 16, Arial. Done grade 8. Now let's move to the line spacing. Let's do it step by step. Line spacing single, spacing before 0, spacing after 6. It's already 0. Line spacing after. And the line spacing is single. It's already single. Okay? Okay, that. It's underline only and center only, yeah. Julian, you can read this in page 309, by the way. You can follow me, task 14B, page 309. This is a subheading. Define it also as a new style. Create new style. This time I will name the new style task 14B underscore subheading. Subheading. Grade 8, do not make a space in the line in the naming of these styles. Just use underscore instead of using a space. If you want about add space, I don't suggest that. Just use underscore to add a space. So let me check my document. Do I like anything need to no subheading? I think I should take off this the same school closure. Take it off. That's it. Yes. Yes. It's supposed to be like in the second paragraph. He said for you before the second paragraph. This is the first paragraph. This is the second paragraph. The question said, yeah, jury, before the second paragraph. Paragraph number 2. Supposed to be exactly before the second paragraph. So you have to put it over here. I remove it from here, yeah. It's written already here. I just take it off and paste it over here. Before the second paragraph. We should follow the instructions carefully with 8. Now the last one, the body text. Serif 11 left. Body. The body of the document. I think this is like subheading. I think this one is a subheading. but I will consider it like body text. Highlighted. There is a space over here. Let me take it off. This is the subheading. The body of the text, sorry. A high grade 8. Serif. Serif is what? Which kind of font? Serif. Times Roman. Font size 11. 11 or 12? Yes, 11. Alignment left. It's already left. Already alignment. Already is left. Single line spacing is spacing after 11. So let me go again. Paragraph setting. After it's 12, not 11, not 12, 11. So just type manual 11 grade 8 because I think it's setting to be 6 and 12. Yes? No, they didn't say the jury. The enhancement is empty. This column is empty, yeah. 11 point, alignment left, single. Spacing after only 11. Easy peasy, right? Grade 8? So easy. Any question? Yes, left. But you know, grade 8, I should like do the same. Oh, I didn't define it as a new font style. Again, highlight it. Again, go to style. Create a style. This one is going to be named task 14b underscore body, right? They said body text in the book. Yes, body text. Name it body. Name it body and then okay. I have to modify the same for the body of the text. Like I want to modify this. I can just go over here and then define it like this. I think I have spaces. Let me remove it. Just do backspace grade 8. Backspace. The same for this one. Do not select the table. Be careful. Also, I got a lot of spaces. Remove it. Temperature. I just like remove it. Oh, I forgot this one. The weak read. No need for the space. Think it's related to the text. I just remove it, yeah, grade 8 easily. I just make. Let me put the table down a little bit. Grade 8, when I get like a blue wave underline, it means what? Is it spelling or grammar or syntax? It's a syntax. I make a double space. As you can see, I make like a double space. Wait, it's going to be back. So when I do right click on it, he said just for me, remove the space during that, because I make 2 spaces. I can go to grammar to read more about that. You can check the grammar, read more than that. I think now I'm done. File, save as. Don't forget to do this in grade 8, the most important step. File, save as, task 14b. Okay. File, save as, work file. Yes, chapter 14. This time is going to be named 14b. You want to share it? Quickly. Let me ask you. Wait. Let me request you so I may be able to share together at the same time, grade 8. Okay. No questions? Lynn, Ruby. Yeah, Ruby. You have many spaces, Ahmed. Take it off. What did he say? I didn't listen. Why? I request you now. Try again. I request you. Bravia, Farida. Yes, but take it off. I take it off already. Why you got red underline over here, yeah, Jury? This is a syntax mistake, I think. Right click and fix it. Hi Ruby, Lena and Lamar, I need to check your screen. You have to share a grade 8.